Chapter 13. Offences against Justice. 1. Bribery is the subversion of justice. Exodus 23:8, Deuteronomy 16:19, 24:17, Psalm 26:10, Isaiah 1:23, etc. 2. Perjury, bearing false witness, is the subversion of justice. Leviticus 19:12, Exodus 20:16, Deuteronomy 19:16-19, Proverbs 25:18, 19:5 and 9. We've already seen that perjury is a very serious offence against God and man. Now we must see that bribery is similarly serious. Both are attempted subversions of God's order. There can be no just order where bribery and perjury prevail. They constitute the murder of justice. Therefore, the punishment of perjury is mandatory. Deuteronomy 19:16-19. The judges have a duty to investigate the testimony made before them to ascertain its truth and to punish the offender, quote, "As he had thought to have done unto his brother, so shalt thou put the evil away from among you." End quote. Deuteronomy 19:19. There must be no pity for a man who attempts to frustrate justice. In fact, the court's judgment must create fear among men and serve as a means to prevent others from the same offence. To buy the court's favour by money is to strike at God. The judge then has betrayed his trust. An offence against justice is an offence against God whose law is subverted. A judge who accepts a bribe or tolerates perjury is as guilty as the offender. The subversion of justice is an offence against God and his court, and therefore a great evil. Bribery is called in Deuteronomy 16:19 wresting or tampering with justice and the perversion thereof. Because the law is the Lord's and justice is the expression of his being, any offence against justice is directly against God and brings about his judgment upon the land and the people who tolerate it.